I'm going to guide you through the process of canceling an order on OfferUp. Let's get started. First, go to OfferUp.com and log in to your account. You can log in using various social media platforms or directly with your credentials. For this demonstration, I'll use Google to sign in. Once you're logged in, click on the inbox icon at the top of the screen and then click on View All Messages. This will display all your interactions and purchases. If you have an active order or conversation regarding a purchase, select the message conversation for the order you wish to cancel. Within the conversation, find and click on View Offer. From there, you'll see the option to cancel offer. Click on Cancel Offer, and then confirm your choice by clicking Cancel Offer again. This will cancel your order. However, please note that if you made a purchase using the Buy Now option, you won't be able to cancel the order through this method. Additionally, once the cancellation is processed, it can take up to 5 business days for the refunded amount to appear in your account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.